Hello and a very warm welcome to all the drop dead gorgeous ladies watching this channel. This is Deepthi and you are watching the Minty Shades. In today's video, I'm going to be swatching for you my favorite pink nude collection of lipsticks. I've also tried to include a range so that I could tell you how that formula is when it is applied to the lips and what are the easy ways to really remove the lipsticks without much hassles. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First shade which I'm going to swatch for you is from the Wet n Wild Rebel Rose. Now the formula for this liquid catsuit Wet n Wild Rebel Rose lipstick is that when you apply on your lips, it is gonna get dry after a couple of minutes, but yeah, if you apply that after applying a little bit of Vaseline or any other balm on your lips, it's gonna work perfect for you. The next pink lipstick which I'm gonna swatch for you is from the Maybelline 24-Hour Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick range, and this is in the shade 1507. This is one of my favorite pick. Normally when no sale is running, then it does falls into a higher range, but during sales it falls back to 455 or so. So you might want to keep an eye on that thing and yeah, save some money in your pocket. This is Maybelline Superstay Ink Lipstick. Maybelline has really come up with a very good formula in the form of this Superstay Matte Ink Lipsticks. It's good that it is transfer proof. It does not just get transferred on whatever you're drinking or eating. No, it's not like that. But really the hardest part is to remove if you don't know how to remove it. Use a little bit of Vaseline on your lips to get that removed and you're perfectly done. The next lipstick which I'm going to swatch for you is from the brand NYP that I exclusively got from Purple. I wanted to try this brand out and see how this turns up because these are very affordable lipsticks, and if you're really the corporate goer or you're an office goer, you have to really step out for work every day. So you might want to have some of the affordable lipstick brands as well in your purse. This is very smooth on your lips as well. This just glides on your lips while applying. In a couple of minutes, it's gonna get dry. So the best advice from me for you is to apply a little bit of Vaseline or any lip balm before trying out these matte liquid lipsticks. It's always a good deal. The next lipstick which I have for you is again from the brand Maybelline, and this is from the range Creamy Matte Lipsticks. This is one of my favorite shade big time, and the shade is Touch of Spice. So easy to apply, such a wonderful formula. It's very affordable. It's like 200 250 or so, and they are also releasing combo packs on Nykaa. Also you can find some of the combo packs for this along with one more lipstick of the same range. So yes, you can go ahead and check them out on Nykaa as well as Purple. So guys, these were some of the favorite pink shades which I have got in my kitty, and I wanted to show it with you guys. So just let me know whichever shade you like the best. Thanks everyone for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please hit the like and the subscribe button to stay connected with me. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep smiling.